Welcome friends, welcome back to the studio. Today I've got the smoker going outside and we're smoking off a chicken. So I thought I'd make a really quick potato salad to go with it. So I'm going to start off by taking these eggs and into this pot of water I'm going to boil them to hard boiled. So I'll get that going. Now that that's on, I'm going to cut up some potatoes into sort of bite-size or fork-size pieces. Now today I'm using a mix of sort of new waxy potatoes, a couple different colors. You can see that one's purple, really kind of cool. So I'm just going to cut them up fork-size pieces. Depending on the day and the mood I'm in, I will use different types of potatoes for the potato salad I'm making. Sometimes I'll use a floury potato. It's called a dry potato or a floury potato. Today I'm using waxy potatoes, or depending on where you are, they could be called something different. I like the floury ones or the dry ones because they're starchy and they break down and they add sort of this really creamy touch to the potato salad. And other days I like these, the waxy ones, just because they don't. Okay, this is the last potato I'm going to cut. So I'm going to put these into this pot of water. I'm going to add some salt and about that much horseradish. Okay, and you don't want to boil them all the way through until they're mushy. You kind of want them to be, if you're cooking pasta, it would be al dente. You want them to bite back just a little bit, or I like them to bite back a little bit. Tell me how you like them at home, because of course, when you're cooking at home, do it the way you want it to be done. Now, today I'm going to put radishes, green onions, and celery into my potato salad. I know people do a lot of different things with their potato salad, and in a couple of weeks I'm going to do a hot potato salad with bacon that uses red onions and a bunch of different things. So cut up your veg. Again, I'm going to say kind of fork size for myself. I know that people like sometimes to have it cut really fine and other people like big chunks. For potato salad, I'm kind of in between with the rest of the ingredients. So I'll just continue cutting that up. Okay, the potatoes are cooked, so I'm going to drain them out. And I'm just going to put the colander over top of the pot so it can continue to drain and let the potatoes cool. And I'm going to salt them at this point and put some pepper on. Now, I'm not going to start saucing these until they've cooled down and the eggs have cooled down a little bit too. So I'll see you back here in a couple of seconds. Okay, everything has cooled down, so let's go ahead and make the sauce. I'm going to start out with mayonnaise. This particular potato salad is mayonnaise. In fact, the sauce for this one is pretty much exactly the same as the one that I use for our cabbage salad. I like the flavor of the dressing, and I like using it on both because there's a textural difference between the cabbage and the potato. And so it seems like I'm eating a different salad, even though essentially I'm eating the same salad. So mayonnaise first, then we go in with a little bit of Dijon mustard. I usually don't measure, but there will be measurements below for you if you need them. I put in some celery seeds, about that many. Next in, I put some dry mustard. This isn't the brand that I normally use. I couldn't get it at the store, so I'll just use something else. It brings a heat. Yeah, this is Keen's dried mustard. I usually buy Coleman's. I couldn't get it this time. It brings a different kind of mustard flavor than the Dijon or any prepared mustard. It's kind of hard to describe what the difference is, but it's there. It is quite interesting. Next, I've got some sour cream, and this is full-fat sour cream. Brings, again, a different kind of texture to the whole thing. And the last thing is some vinegar. And I'm using an ice cider vinegar, just a little bit for flavor. And we'll give that a stir. Okay, now we just assemble it. So I have a bowl here. And into the bowl I'm going to put the potatoes. Now because I cooked the potatoes with horseradish, they're flavored with horseradish, and there's still some horseradish hanging on to the outside of the potatoes. So that's going to add another layer of flavor in there. Radish, onion, and celery. And then we'll mix in the sauce. And then the last in are the eggs. And so you can slice them, you can chop them, you can deal with the egg any way you want. I will take one egg, chop it roughly, and mix it in completely. And then the other two I will lay on top to kind of make a nice presentation. Hey, Jules.
Woohoo, we got a whole collection here. A meal.
This is not the chicken you're looking for.
Oh, this is not the chicken I'm looking for. This is...
We're only talking about the potato salad in this one. You'll have to come back for the chicken.
I like potato salad. I'm good with that.
So,
Looks pretty good. It's got all the classic bits in it.
yeah, it's backyard barbecue potato salad. So,
No, it's great. I love potato salad. You can't go wrong.
and there's so many things you could do with this. You could put in some dill.
Yeah.
You could add some slightly different vegetables and herbs.
Yeah, a little curry flavor to it.
Oh, curry flavor would be good. A little bit of paprika or
As always,
on top. Yeah.
you can make it however you like.
So it's just a base. Make it whatever you want. Changing up the potatoes changes the texture quite a bit.
It does. You can put sriracha in it, hot sauce.
There's a potato salad that I absolutely love from a barbecue place here in Toronto called Cherry Street Barbecue. Lawrence and his crew make a fantastic potato salad. Lawrence, if you're watching, come on by and show us how you make your potato salad, because I absolutely love it.
It is good. It's got a little bit. It's a little bit mashed, so
Yeah.
it's got like a nice texture to it. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a lot of fun.
It's great. So, enjoy this potato salad. Come on back and check out the smoked chicken. Thanks for stopping by. Stay safe. See you again soon.